Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live animated wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. Then you need to download this free app from this developer and click on it. Then click on these three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and tap on I accept. Over here you can customize your wallpaper however you wish to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom one again, but this time select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Apply. And when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!